We have a generic ABB cell. Gonna walk through the process of setting it for packaging. So prior to unplugging and disconnecting everything, there's a couple of things you want to make sure you have. One is a backup of the system. So you bring up your teach pendant, ABB menu, or 3- in the newer software, backup and restore, backup current system, select the location for it. Uh, this option here, this 3 dots here, you should be able to select and you can go up until you get to the USB. In this case, since it's on a virtual system, it doesn't have that. Then once you're all set up, you press backup. In this case, I won't because this is going to a virtual controller. The other thing you want to make sure you do is get the robot into an orientation that is ideal for shipping for this system. So in this case, on the virtual controller, go to manual mode, enable. You can go to your jogging screen and you can jog the robot into an orientation, enabling that is ideal for the system for shipping. One of the other things I generally do is for shipping, there's generally a wire feeder up top on axis 3 of the robot. I'll remove that because the brackets, I've had them break several times. So any equipment that's connected to the robot, I'll can take the torch off, take or just disconnect it from here, leave the torch attached to the robot, take the wire feeder unit, take it down, set it down here as well for shipping so it doesn't break anything. Once you're in this position, then you disconnect power, you've got your backup, you've got the robot to where you want it to be, uh, disconnect power, and start taking off cables, unplug it from the base of the positioner, wrap it up here. Any cables that are hanging out on the pallet. The nice thing about the pallet is you can just pick up the pallet and move it around as needed, wherever you need it to be. So one of the first things you do is disconnect any cable from any devices, 6 scanners, HMI controllers, and if there's a plug, try to just unplug it and bring it around to the controller. Since this system here has a pallet, this is an ABB 2600 with a IRBP R positioner. This is the IRBP R positioner, 2600 robot. The pallet, the advantage of the pallet is you can keep a lot of the connections together and wrapped up together. So the robot, generally speaking, I'll unplug it from the base of the robot and bring it in here. Wrap it up all into the pallet. Same with any welder connectors that go to the positioner, any cables that go to your HMI or other scanners or sensors, wrap them up right here in this pallet area. That is generically what you do for preparing a system for shipping on a pallet system.